One zoo handler just survived an alligator attack. This one they happen inside Utah for United States of America. This thing with this dangerous animal, it no even dey different from crocodile. Now I go attack this guy, and the place where this one they happen now where they call Scales and Tails Reptile Center. This place just be like tourist center. See people they pay to go watch wetin go kill them. Now this girl come dey say okay, make she show them stunt on how she go take feed this alligator before we go see this thing don't chop this girl hand. My people beg, make una follow me watch.
They were teasing the water with the more machine.
Whoa. Oh, what do you want me here? What do you want me here? We got trouble in here. What do you want me here? Oh, man. Hey, we got trouble! Hey, we got trouble! You got a stick?
You can grab my arm. Go for it. He's gonna go for it.
You hold this. Hold this. And this.
Jesus Christ. So now this kind of work, now some people they gather mind say they won't go they do. In fact, this lady supposed thank her God, thank her star, and thank the man where come as I can't save her. Because if not, now another story for come as I can't dey yarn. All because of say waiting, you won't feed alligator. Now your hand self can't follow the thing join. She can't dey, in fact, Oyinbo, I know go talk so now stupid. She can't dey tell the crocodile bin like say, stop, I beg. The crocodile go school. I be the thing hear English. We be say go dey follow and they speak English, say making keep make no stop. Since when crocodile start to dey get sense? We be say if they follow and they speak English, the thing go dey hear you. But I beg, some people say for on a career, I know they understand them. So to find work, now this kind of work you can't decide say you won't go do. And in fact, even if you can't agree, say okay, yes, maybe the pay good. Now what you want do? If you want feed the crocodile, be na alligator, you fling the food, give them, or you find stick, position and give the thing. No be say you go there form bruisely on top of animal. We no even send, we no even know you before. But in fact, person wey enter this place, the man dey very wise. In fact, I go thank the man for him bravery. Because I never see where danger they happen. Person go come carry himself. Go enter, say yes, he won't die. But this man, on top of this whole attack, this man enter the place. Come go sit down on top of this crocodile so that the thing no go move. Because now don't say, if crocodile start to dey turn, before you go see the thing don't chop the person hand. But this man, he use all his strength, stay standing. Oyinbo people, if na no go learn anything from Nigeria, I be from Africa, make I give na one advice. Make na learn one thing from Africa because of say waiting. Una don't enter our zoo reach. Una don't go our zoo see as e be. Animal go there for one place. The human being be the net. In fact, it go there very far. Because of say waiting, before the animal go even get time, say you won't catch. In fact, you don't reach your house. Now wetin make they do our zoo like that? No be say on our own now go one proof point. In our own do glass, say people go fit they see this. He said this alligator go come outside. Go chop them these children. What's in our come outside the top? Because for here, children there for the place. So what if say this thing can't carry himself? I be how go they even take talk. The thing gather himself now can't come outside from this step. Can't go chop one of these children. I na go explain them. See they can't pay for viewing center. Now everything can't spoil for there. But this lady, I hope say you go even quit this job. Because me, I know say as if either this hand go don damage or something go don happen. Because if you now watch this video well, this thing even bite this woman for neck. So I sure say she, in fact, she go don't even get so many injuries. So me, I go just advise you, go sit down for house. Because this thing don't even worth the risk. Another work day, find and do. No be you go come kill yourself because of one animal. Animal we supposed dey for jungle, na come carry am. Say na want turn the place to study center, make people come there, come they look. But just thank your God. Me, I even thank God say you dey alive and say nothing happened to you. My people, I hear this story. I say make I bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything I feel about this matter, what I just hear now, make na no forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.